Did you know that over 70% of couples who eventually get together experience some form of rejection in their early stages? Yet most men don't handle rejection the right way, and because of that, they never get a second chance. What if I told you that rejection doesn't have to be the end? In fact, it could be the very thing that sets you on the path to becoming the kind of man she can't ignore. Stick around, because today, I'm going to walk you through 8 powerful steps to not only handle rejection like a pro, but also turn things around and possibly win her back. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll have a completely new perspective on love, rejection, and self-growth. The reality of rejection. Rejection is one of the most painful experiences in life, especially when it comes from someone you deeply care about. That sinking feeling in your chest, the endless what ifs, and the blow to your confidence. It's enough to make anyone want to give up. But here's the truth: rejection isn't the end of the road. In fact, it's often just the beginning of a journey toward becoming a better version of yourself. In this video, we're going to explore 8 powerful steps to not only handle rejection with grace, but also potentially win back the girl who turned you down. These steps aren't about manipulation or playing games. They're about self-improvement, understanding, and creating a genuine connection. By the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap to navigate rejection and possibly rekindle that spark. Step 1. Don't take rejection personally. Rejection hurts, but it's important to remember that it's not a reflection of your worth as a person. Often, rejection has more to do with timing, circumstances, or the other person's emotional state than it does with you. For example, maybe she's just gotten out of a relationship and isn't ready to date again. Or perhaps she's dealing with personal issues that have nothing to do with you. Instead of dwelling on the rejection, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Use it as an opportunity to reflect on your approach and identify areas for improvement. Step 2. Be true to yourself. One of the biggest mistakes men make after being rejected is trying to change themselves to fit what they think the other person wants. This not only comes across as desperate, but also undermines your authenticity. Women can sense when someone is being fake, and it's a major turnoff. Focus on being the best version of yourself, not someone else's idea of perfection. Embrace your quirks, passions, and unique qualities. They're what make you, you. Step 3. Give yourself a fresh start. Rejection can either break you or build you. It's your choice. Instead of wallowing in self-pity, use this as an opportunity to level up in all areas of your life. Hit the gym, pick up a new hobby, or focus on your career. When you invest in yourself, you become more confident and attractive. Create a self-improvement plan with specific goals, such as working out 3 times a week or learning a new skill. Track your progress and celebrate small wins along the way. Step 4. Examine your approach. Sometimes, rejection has less to do with who you are and more to do with how you approach the situation. Did you come on too strong? Were you too passive? Reflecting on your approach can help you identify what went wrong and how to improve in the future. Ask a trusted friend, preferably a woman, for honest feedback on your approach. Sometimes, an outside perspective can reveal blind spots you didn't even know you had. Step 5. Respect her decision. One of the most attractive qualities a man can have is the ability to handle rejection with grace. If you lash out, become bitter, or try to guilt her into changing her mind, you'll only push her further away. Instead, respect her decision and show her that you're emotionally mature. Actionable tip: if she rejects you, respond with something like, "I understand, and I respect your decision. Thank you for being honest with me." This shows confidence and leaves the door open for future possibilities. Step 6. Learn to accept her decision. The moment you stop chasing is the moment you become more desirable. When you accept her decision and focus on your own growth, you send a powerful message that you're confident, self-assured, and not dependent on her validation. Give her space and focus on your own life. If she sees that you're thriving without her, she might start to see you in a new light. Step 7. Align your interests. Shared interests and passions are the foundation of any strong connection. If you want to win her back, find ways to align your interests with hers. This doesn't mean pretending to like something you don't. It means exploring new hobbies or activities that you both enjoy. If she's into fitness, consider joining a gym or taking up a sport. If she loves music, explore new genres or attend concerts together. The key is to create organic opportunities for connection. Step 8. Exercise patience. Timing is everything. Sometimes a woman rejects you, not because she's not interested, but because she's not ready for a relationship. Be patient and give her the space she needs to figure things out. In the meantime, focus on your own growth and happiness. Don't rush her or try to force a connection. Let things unfold naturally and trust that if it's meant to be, it will happen. Bonus step: the power of eye contact and active listening. When you do interact with her, make sure to maintain strong eye contact and practice active listening. These small but powerful gestures show her that you're present, engaged, and genuinely interested in what she has to say. Use the look, hold, smile technique. Look her in the eye, hold the gaze for a second longer than usual, and then give a subtle smile. This creates a sense of connection and intrigue. Conclusion: becoming the man she can't ignore. Rejection doesn't have to be the end. It can be the beginning of a new chapter in your life. By following these 8 steps, you'll not only handle rejection with confidence, but also become the kind of man who attracts love and respect naturally. Remember, the goal isn't to win her back at all costs. It's to grow into the best version of yourself, whether she's part of your journey or not. So what are you waiting for? Start today. Take that first step towards self-improvement and watch as your life and your relationships transform for the better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more advice on love, relationships, and personal growth. And if you've ever turned rejection into a success story, share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.